Shillong South constituency on Saturday got a major new market complex built at cost of rupees 14.27 crore. The four-story market, designed like a shopping mall, was inaugurated by Meghalaya Cabinet Minister and Shillong South MLA Sanbor Sholai. The program was attended by North Eastern Council Secretary S.K. Bhalla, Shillong Municipal Board CEO P.K. Boro, Laban Rangbashnong Edward Kharwanlang and other local headmen. Speaking at the function, Sanbor Sholai said he was happy to see the project become a reality, describing it as one of his long-cherished dreams. He thanked the central and state governments for supporting and approving the project through the North Eastern Council. He also announced that an additional rupees 4 crore has been sanctioned. Of these, rupees 2 crore will be used to improve and expand the top floor of the new market complex, while another rupees 2 crore will be spent on expanding the market at Lumshachni. NEC Secretary S.K. Bhalla and Laban Rangbashnong Edward Kharwanlang also spoke at the program and welcomed the completion of the project, saying it would benefit the people and traders of the area. Earlier, Sholai also inaugurated a cement concrete road to build over a drainage channel at a cost of rupees 1.65 crore, aimed at improving road connectivity and public infrastructure in the locality.
Today we have inaugurated, thankful to the Pludi, all official of Pludi department. Before we inaugurate this municipal market, Yaudaglaban, we have inaugurated this road for an amount of rupees. This motorable cum aqueduct drainage aqueduct system, starting from opposite of Laban Presbyterian Church, via this market, from the front of the market, till the last of bridge, for an amount of rupees 1 crore 65 lakh. Thank you so much. Thank you, President Tensong, Honorable Pluni Minister, who always supported me and supported the people of my constituency. And the market is 14 crore 27 lakh 50,000 G plus 3. And I'm told by FW Khan, ex-chief engineer, that we have moved one more scheme here on the terrace. It'll be with the diner roof, one more hall for the public use, to be utilized by all the people of 19 South Shillong constituency. When you here in our constituency is very congested, we are having a parking facilities, and here we have a sanction of 2 crore already sanctioned, and the work will be started in this month. Furthermore, one more fund for which has been funded through, initiated by the jointly with the municipal board and the urban affairs department. Thank you, Baseo Balangda, Deputy Chief Minister in charge urban affairs. We are from the same clan. Dhar and Shulai, we are same. Who have sanctioned us 4 crore, 2 for this additional, and 2 crore for Lumshachni Bishnupur market for renovation. That also will be started this month. And more crores of rupees for the benefits of the brother and sister living in cantonment area. Cantonment area, there will be around 35 crore infrastructure scheme, which we are going to come together with municipal and cantonment area. The sanction scheme and the proposal to be sanctioned will come around 300 crores only for 19 South Shillong constituency. And I'm also very happy to inform our brother and sister from the cantonment area. So the total, it will come to nearly 18 crores. 18 crores we have already got the sanction. In our cantonment, municipal area, we are having a building bylaws. 2 years ago, from the government through the MUDA, it was people are allowed to build G+3. But 2 years ago, we have again discussed in the MDA meeting, and last 2 years, it was amended. Now you can apply for G+5, it means 6-story. And for our cantonment area, there is no building bylaws.